Designed with some of the most premium features available, the freestanding Equator 1.6 cubic foot superwasher delivers an outstanding cleaning experience. Measuring 33.5 inches by 23.5 inches by 21.85 inches, with a total capacity of 1.62 cubic feet or 15 pounds, this model can easily fit into any space while washing everything needed at one time. Enjoy an incredibly flexible washing experience thanks to the 826 model's 16 total programs and its 12 wash programs. Programs include normal, pre-wash, Allergen Cycle, and more. Ideal for pet owners, the ultra-innovative pet cycle removes as much fur and dander as possible within a single load. With 4 memory programs, you can quickly and easily use your top 4 cycles with the touch of a button. Also, there are 2 primary energy-saving functions on this washer, the delay start and automatic water level programs. With its antibacterial drum baffle, enjoy a proactive approach to eliminating germs and bacteria. Need to winterize your machine? Do so in just 2 minutes. Just add antifreeze. Other noteworthy features include a child lock, foam control, touch buttons, a color-coded LED display, and diagnostic sensors. It can also be stacked with 2 of our Equator dryer models, the 852 and 860. As with all Equator appliances, this model comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Bring home the Equator Superwasher today.